English&Chinese 128段锦 Follow the cues, practice in flow.
1. The warm-up. Ear root flexion. Make a V shape with your index and middle fingers. Frame your ears and scrub up and down. Feel that deep head. That's your circulation waking up your entire body. 2. Edge kneading, the metabolist boost. Pinch and knead the outer rim of your ear from top to bottom. In TCM, this edge is linked to your gut health. A healthy gut means a glowing you. 3. The lift, ear tip pause. Grip the very top of your ears. Give them a firm diagonal tug upward. Feel the tension melt away as you stretch and release. 4. The glow up, earlobe massage. Firmly pinch your earlobes, pull down, then give them a good circular rub. Do this daily for a natural manual facelift. 5. The jaw release. Find the little notch right in front of your ear. Massage it in circles with the index finger. It's a game changer for TMJ relief and jaw tension. 6. The inner triangle. Press your fingertip into the triangle nest at the top of your ear ball. This area targets your lower body. 7. The core rub. Stick your index finger into the main ball of your ear. Press and rotate. This area is linked to your chest. Perfect for deep, calming breath. 8. The ear pressure release. Press your index fingers firmly over the ear flap until it's airtight. Hold, then pop them off. That pop clears your ear meridians like a mini vacuum.